To record a cattle treatment using Herdwatch, select the cattle treatment option on your home page or select the plus sign and click on cattle treatment. Here it will give you two options to select the treatment from your remedy cabinet or do a treatment only. From remedy cabinet allows you to select the purchase that you previously inputted and allocate that to a cattle treatment. If you would like to do a treatment only, it brings you direct into the list of available medicines where you can create the treatment first and update the purchase at a later date, such as uploading an image of the vet docket. For the purpose of the demo, I will select from remedy cabinet. Here it will give you a full list of all medicines that you previously inputted, and you can select the single treatment that you'd like to do, but in the event that you're given an animal two treatments at the one time, you can select the treatments together. So for the demo, I'll select one treatment and I can press next. It will automatically default to today's date, but if the treatment was in the past, you can always backdate your treatment at any point. So I'll select today as today's treatment. Now the details you inputted on your purchase will automatically pre-populate into the treatment fields here. So such as who administered it, if you've set your main operator on Herdwatch, such as the dose per animal per day will come across from the purchase, as well as unit of measure and treatment reason. Now you can always update these options if it's a different treatment reason or if it's a different operator. Your withdrawals would have come across from your purchase as well, but you can also update these in the event that the withdrawals were different. Your prescribing vet and batch number will also have come across from the purchase. The bottom fields here are optional fields, so if you'd like to input a treatment result, a group description, or if it was a vet call out, you can select a toggle here. In the event that it's a lameness treatment or a mastitis treatment, you can input the legs or quarter option on your treatment task here as well. If you have any notes that you'd like to enter, you can fill in the notes box at the bottom of the task. When you select next, it brings you through to your animal selection page, where you can select the animals individually, search them from your list using your magnifying glass in the right hand corner. If you have an EID reader, you can connect your EID reader by selecting the Bluetooth icon, and you can select your animals with the reader. If you have groups created and you want to allocate it against a group, select groups, click on your group and select all. In the event that the treatment is going to an animal as previously moved out of the herd, you can select moved out and it will give you a list of animals that have moved out of this herd. Once you're happy with the animals that you've selected, click on animals selected just to check over them, select save, and that will save the treatment. So as you can see here, it's treatment for Adamycin against these animals, and I can check the animals list here and check the details.